Is open houses for you or for me? Let's discuss that. So sometime I hear from clients that if the agent does not do an open house, they feel the agent does not work enough. And I want to tell you that the agent is working a lot behind the scene. Agent have to pay a lot of different subscriptions to be able to market your home to different platforms on internet. 89% of the houses are sold through the internet. So as I am living right now an open house, I wanted to tell you the story that just happened to me. I've met a lovely couple. As I found out, they're looking for the detached home in about $550,000 to a $600,000 range. And they came by the sign of open house to see the house that I was showing. I was showing the condo townhome. So it's not exactly what they need. However, they've met the agent that from now on they're going to work with, and I'm going to find them the house that they're looking for. Did they needed a house that I was showing? No. Who's got the advantage of the open house? Me, not my clients. Because as I am telling that all the time, when people want to buy your house, they want to see it in more intimate setting. They want to come with the agent and look at the house. They want to see how they feel in the house as the couple without any other people roaming through their space. Or they're going to call you and ask you to show them the house without other people roaming through the space. And as I'm telling again, the open house is for us, real estate agents, to show our inventory, to use your house as a space for talking about our marketing skills, show our marketing skills, where it can be better than the open house. And this, why I'm saying, if it is an open house, and if you can leave your house from 2 to 4 on Sunday, fantastic. I am very thankful. But this is not for your advantage. It's more for mine. If you want to buy or sell your home, if you need a new dream home, you need a strategist. Alvina Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert.